Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Wednesday, the 8th of February. Welcome back to the Small Account Challenge, the Day Trade with Tony Small Account Challenge 2023. So, if you're new to this channel, if you're new to me, then the Small Account Challenge we started with on the 17th of January, just under $2,500. So $2,476 was our starting position on the 17th of January. And we've had our ups and downs, mostly ups. We had our first red day on Monday. We didn't take any trades yesterday on the small account. It was a very choppy market yesterday, very choppy market. So we didn't take any trades yesterday. And we came back at it today. And we started off, the first trade that we took was moving up on a good news drop, was Creative Medical Technologies. And that moved up pre-market. It's not usually what I like to trade, but it's a small account, so I'm trading the smaller price stocks. So it's a sub $2 stock, which is $2 is normally my basement floor. $3 is where I start getting interested in stocks. But while I'm doing the small account challenge, I'm just showing that yes, we can trade these lower price stocks because essentially we're not going to be able to trade the higher price stocks until we've got a much larger account. Well, I say a much larger account. A $10,000 account plus will give us up to $60,000 worth of buying power. So we then be in a position to trade the higher price stocks from 5 to 25 kind of thing. So we traded Creative Medical, and it moved up very well. We managed to get in, and we gave it enough wiggle room, and then we got I think it was about 5 cents loss, so we cut our losses. When we traded later in the day, we made, I think, 6 cents. We ended up in profit to the tune of a huge, great tune of $50 on that particular trade. But then we traded quantum computing, or Qubit as I like to call it, because the ticker is QUBT. So Qubit, or quantum computing, made a nice move up. So we traded this, and we managed to get $175 on this. Then we traded Kiora Pharmaceuticals. Kiora, I remember Kiora. It was back in the day. It was an orange squash drink, too orangey for crows. But anyway, I'm going off at a tangent, showing my age. So then we traded Kiora Pharmaceuticals, and so they started moving up today because an analyst, Ladenburg Thalmann, gave it a $119 give it a buy rating, $119 price target. Now it was a $4.5 stock. To give it 100, I think it's ambitious to give it a $119 target. But look, if it goes up to $119 and I'm in it, great. But we traded it today, and it went up huge amounts. It went up over 70% on the day, to over $8. And we managed to make, in total, across the course of the day, we've had a really good day. So 2710, to be precise. We've had a really good day, and 36% growth. So that doesn't happen very often. Small accounts, because we had a red day on Monday, just under $1,000 red on Monday, but to have a $2,700 green day today on the small account is nothing short of remarkable. More than a third of the account grown in one day. We didn't get to go with the first two trades that we took, so we were looking to get green, stay green. So as soon as we got green, the idea is we're going to stay green, and we certainly did. Then it's get to goal and get over goal. So we were looking initially to get to $400. We started today with just over $8,000 in equity. So we were looking for 5%. The goal on this challenge is 5% growth daily. So we're looking for 5%. We got 36%. So 7 times goal today. More than happy with that. So let's take a look at how we did it, shall we? Okay. So as I say, the first thing we traded was Creative Medical. Now, Creative Medical was moving up nicely. and we saw this full first pullback, and we were looking for an entry position. So we kind of missed it. So we got this pullback here. Thought we might get a move up to test, you know, the $0.50. So we got in here as we got new highs, and then it pulled back, and we held it initially. We were actually going to give it kind of 10 cents risk or whatever. We held it initially. It did make a move higher. We could have actually got out for a marginal profit, and then it's consolidating. So as it was consolidating, I thought, you know what, I'm just going to get out there, and we got out for a small loss. So I think we were about $200 down at that stage. So it was a small loss, but it didn't set the tone for the day. Then we traded QUBT. So this was moving up nicely. We got this beautiful bull flag. So we got a move up, a pullback, and then as we got a new high, so we got tested kind of a resistance at 250, the $0.50. So as we broke the $0.50 there, this flag breakout, and I got in there, was able to get some profits up here, added to the position, and when it started to pull back, we got out for break even for the remainder. So that was a good start. I'll show you a couple of these trades. I'll tack them on the back of this video. And then it started to make a move back up here, and as it broke new highs, we got in again and exited the position, took profits up here, and then as it pulled back, we exited for the remainder. Just under break even, but we'd already kind of reduced our sizing quite considerably, so it didn't hurt us. So really nice way to start the day. I'm green. Happy to be green. My mantra is to get green and then stay green. As I mentioned, I did trade sells a little bit later in the day. As it started to get volatility, which was here, broke the VWAP, and it got volatility. I waited for the pullback, move up into a halt. On resumption, I waited for the pullback, moved up, waited for the pullback, and I was able to get in and get out and take profits up at the top here. It then pulled all the way back below the VWAP, and we'd cease trading. Then we you know, like I say, $175 up on this one across the course of two entries. Then we traded Kiora. It was similar time. KPRX is the ticker, but this is Kiora or whatever it is. So this made its move up, and as it broke new highs here, I got in, but it faked me out quickly. I was looking for the move up, and it faked me out quickly, but then it started to move back up. So I added to the position and held through this consolidation phase here. Then it started to move up. It broke up, so I was able to take some profits as it pulled back, add that back, and then move it up. Take profits on the way, add to the position, and then out up at the top. That got me profitable. We're pretty much at goal at that stage, and I've then traded this on the large account, I believe. So as this broke $7, we have this move up, pull back, and then the move up. We got in here on this candle, added to the position as we started to make highs, took some profits, pull back, move back up, back in, and then we got out, we just held through a bit of consolidation here, and we got out up here. It then pulled all the way back, and it pulled back to kind of 740, 735 it was. So as it dropped back down, I thought, okay, well, we found a little bit of support there, which just happened to be the resistance here. Look, key level 730, 735, 737, whatever it was. So I thought, as it pulls back, I'll just very quick buy the support range. If it breaks low, very low risk, I'll buy the support. If it gets bought up, we're back in the races. If it doesn't, a quick exit. So I bought the dip here. I was able to take a little bit off there. And then as it started to make its move up, we're adding to the position here, taking profits here, and just finished pretty much as it moved up here. It did pull back. I think we got stopped out on this candle here actually, and as it pulled back, we actually watched it spike higher. Then we've got a little bit of an M pattern, so I'm double top M pattern. I'm kind of thinking I'm a bit wary of that now, so I decided to walk away at that stage. Over $2,000 up. Happy days. So let's talk about, so where does that actually put us on the year, on the month, on the year? Where does it put us on the challenge? Let's have a look at the statistics. Okay, so you can see February, we didn't trade yesterday. We've got today, so February, we had all green days up until this week, but we've had an immense day today, 36% gain. Not quite the biggest trading day I've had yet on the small account, but it's way over goal, and really impressed myself today with the moves. And that's what you need. You just need one stock that moves well, and you can make good money on it. So $10,329.94 is the total gross profit that we've made on a $2,500 account. So that's 4 times good. Now, after taxes, after commissions and charges and whatnot, we now have a 10,000. It's cost us, about 25% in fees and charges so far. Well, about 20% in fees and charges so far. So, and that tends to be the case with small accounts, is that the fees are, as proportionately speaking, are a lot bigger than they would be with a larger account. So commissions and charges, etc. Now, typically, I would say between 14 and 16% is what, so I average around 15%. From my own calculations, is what I budget on in terms of fees and charges. But the currently running on the small account, it's about 20%. So we've now got a little over $10,000 in the account that we start tomorrow. Let's have a look at, we're averaging, so put this again into perspective, we're looking for 5% growth daily. So a $10,000 account means that we're now looking for $500 tomorrow on the goal. We're averaging since the 17th, across the duration of the challenge so far, we're averaging over $730, $737. So we are in a very good position in terms of maintaining that average. If we look at the win-loss ratios and win-loss expectation, 20% or 80%. So 4 out of 5 trades are going in my direction. So happy with my accuracy. I'm getting good accuracy on the small account. I'm actually getting good accuracy on the large account. I've been trading a bit poorly on the large account the last couple of days, but turning that around. So the small account, we've had our first red day. It was important to get a green day under the belt and not add to that drawdown. So we didn't get the drawdown, but we cleared it. The next day we traded. So you can see here that the equity curve, we're making really good gains into this. So $10,000 account tomorrow means that we'll have approximately $60,000 worth of buying power. Stock dependent, of course. And with $60,000 of buying power, we can now start trading this account as if I would be trading my regular account, because with $60,000 worth of buying power, typically I'm trading stocks between $5 and $25. If I'm trading a stock, let's say $10, I can take 5,000 shares. I can enter with 2,500 shares and scale in another 2,500 shares, and it's $10 a share. That will take me up to 50, and I've still got a little bit of wiggle room. I've still got, I've still got a little bit of leverage in there. This is what I would class as aggressive trading. Now, that's just the sizing I like to take. I like to take 2.5 starter position, 2,500 shares, 5,000 shares, and then scale up. But making sure that I still take the A+ setups, the good setups, is no different than when it was a $2,500 account. it's still important just to be cautious and manage the risk. So today I was very, very on point with my risk management on both accounts. I'll drop the large account trade recaps shortly, but I was on point with the risk management across the board. Once I got green, the only thing I was risking was the profits I'd made on the day. I was effectively playing with the house's money from that stage. So at no point did I risk going red after I got green on the day on the small account. And that's really what I really need to concentrate on going forward, is that once I've got green, that the next trade that I take, the maximum I'm risking is whatever profit I'm in, and keep it like that. So we're back at it tomorrow, an hour before the market opens, so 8:30 market time, East Coast, New York. I'll be trading live. If you want to join me and you're in the UK or Ireland, it's 1:30 p.m. So come join me live. I will be trading for him 2 hours before the market opens, but I'm streaming my trades live for the last hour of the pre-market session and the first 90 minutes of the regular session. So come join me. We'll do it all again. Had a good day today and hope to see you tomorrow. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Take care. See you tomorrow. Sounds going on here. Cents, 10 cents is all. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Done. 850. Twice goal. That'll do me. Thank you very much. So I'll go in for another small piece. I think so. When you move with the ass, can you take the bid with you, please? Right, I'm done with that. 1300. Looking for $8. Maybe pull that to 750 and move up in the break of $8. Looking for $8. Okay. Go. 94 on the ass. There we go. There we go. And we've got a 30-cent trailing stop. That's huge volatility. Huge volatility. ATR is 29 cents, so 30-cent stop's about right. Oh, made $2 grand. Okay. Let's see if it's worth another entry. Five times goal. We go. I'm gonna get it this time. Up to 817 again. This time, do we get the break? Do we get the break? $0.20 stop. $2,800.